Why are executive functions key to childhood ADHD symptoms? Imagine trying to complete a puzzle without knowing what the picture looks like. That's what life can feel like for children with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. Their brains struggle with certain mental skills called executive functions. These skills are like the brain's control panel, helping kids plan, stay organized, control impulses, and manage emotions. When these skills don't work as they should, it shows up as the common signs of ADHD in children. Executive functions include abilities like stopping yourself from acting on impulse, holding information in your mind to use it later, and planning steps to finish a task. They also help children control their feelings and think flexibly when things change unexpectedly. If these skills are weak, a child might interrupt others, forget homework, or have trouble sitting still. These behaviors are often seen as childhood ADHD symptoms. The reason these skills are so important is because they directly influence how children behave in school, at home, and with friends. For example, a child with poor impulse control might blurt out answers or act without thinking. A child with weak working memory might forget instructions or lose track of what they were doing. When children can't organize their thoughts or control their emotions, it makes everyday tasks harder and can lead to frustration. The brain areas involved in executive functions are mainly in the front part of the brain called the prefrontal cortex. In children with ADHD, this part of the brain develops differently, which explains why executive dysfunction is a core part of the disorder. This difference affects how well a child can stay focused, control impulses, and manage their feelings. Understanding this connection helps parents, teachers, and caregivers find ways to support children better. Strategies like breaking tasks into smaller steps, using visual reminders, and creating predictable routines can help children manage their executive function challenges. Sometimes, professionals recommend behavioral therapy or medication to improve these skills and reduce ADHD symptoms. So, the reason executive functions are key to childhood ADHD symptoms is because when these mental skills don't work properly, they cause many of the behaviors we see in children with ADHD. Improving these skills can make a big difference in helping children succeed and feel more in control of their actions.